my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you will get a notification every time I post a new wig review or a wig related video. So I'm so happy you're here today. Today I am wearing Dakota by Envy in the color Cinnamon Raisin. So Dakota is a mid-length wavy style with a bit of a bang in the front that can be worn side swept, or if you wanted to, you could shorten it a little bit and you could make yourself a bang across the forehead there. So really cute style. It's a style that I've been wanting to try actually for a long time, and she kept getting kind of pushed down the wig list. And so I finally kind of remembered her and thought, oh, I want to try that Dakota. So really has a great price point, this little wig does. So just really a cute, cute little style. Just a wavy, little bit of a curl here and there, but mostly just a wavy pattern to this one. So her measurements are 5.25 here in the front. She is 10 inches from the crown. She is 8.75 inches on the side. And then she has an 8-inch nape measurement back here. Now, one thing I am finding with this nape, with these curls, she is sort of tangling a little bit on me pretty easily. Maybe, needs a little detangler spray back there. Just, she doesn't get a lot of friction on fabric. She's not super long, but I'm just kind of finding a little tendency to tangle back there. So I just want to tell you all of the things that I find about these pieces whenever I try them so that you are well informed before you make a purchase. So really cute piece. She is a lace front with a left side mono part. So we'll look at the lace front. Lace front's pretty good. I think Envy does a good job with their lace fronts. The knots are pretty tiny, and with the variation of color in this wig, there is some lightening that they put, lightening of the color that they put there towards the lace front, which is really good, I think. The only place on the lace front where I have a little bit of a problem is this junction between the lace and the ear tab here. The ear tab begins here and goes all the way to there. That's the end of the lace front. Is kind of obvious on this particular color. I think that the one improvement that could be made to this Cinnamon Raisin color as far as cap and color working better together is if this particular cap was a light brown color and it is actually black. So I think that's why I'm seeing that seam so much. So that's just something to note whenever you're styling the wig, or if you're trying to pull it back a little bit. It limits the styling ability of the wig, and I'm finding that to be a little bit frustrating. So just want to share that with y'all. Like I said, I want to give you all the specs here, so all my opinions. So then she has a lace front, and the parting space there is good. You get the appearance of scalp coming through there. So really nice. And the ear tabs are good. Ear tabs are, they have a good substantial piece of metal in them. Goes there to there. And I got them adjusted once and they're not moving. Cap fits me well, comfortably around my ears and everything. So I think if you did have hair underneath, you would have good coverage there, on those ear tabs. So really, good as far as the ear tabs are concerned. So really cute piece. You can do a lot of different things with her. So I've been pulling her, just pulling her back and putting her just in a claw clip, and then you can kind of pull down the bangs are going to want to pull down, but you can also pull down, some of these little layers from that. Pull them out gently here, but you could pull down some cute little tendrils. Hold on, piece, pull. There we go. And just make a cute little style there. Sorry, I have to use my mirror. I'm trying to get little tiny. There we go. I just want a little piece. Okay, there we go, but really cute. You can pull her back like that. Because of that situation with the ear tabs, I haven't really found a way, I like to be able to take the front of a wig when I have a lace front and pull it back like this, but I see that junction there when I do that. So I'm not very happy with that. And I mean, you can pull down some hair and cover that, but I'm not getting super good coverage because I've got a dark cap and I've got a lighter, brunette. So something that's maybe a little bit of a bummer on this particular piece. So she's also really good. You know, she's the hair is real light, real fine and denier, so really easy to you know, stick behind your ears. So just really cute. So let me turn all the way around so you can see her from all sides. So here's the right, the back, my left side, and then back to the front. So I will pop her off and we can talk about the inside of her cap. And you'll see that she, like I said, she has a black cap, and I wish it was brown. That's all I'm gonna say. I wish it was a brown cap. So anyway, but so lace front that goes from the top of those ear tabs, you know, ear tab to ear tab there. Pretty generous lace front across the front there. And then wide, you know, pretty wide mono parting space there. Some closed lace here. The wig doesn't have a lot of, if any, permatease in it. The ear tabs are covered in that like lacy material, and there's lots of hair sewn to the front of the ear tab, which is nice because that means when you pull it back, you're gonna have really good coverage and it's gonna look more natural there whenever you pull the hair back. So she's got the bra strap type adjusters. She does not have an extended nape, which surprised me a little bit with the length, but there's no extended nape. And then she is open wefted all through that cap. So shake her out here and put her back on. And she is one that, you know, when you take her on and off, put her on first thing, she does need a little bit of adjustment, you know, a little bit of time. I have to work with the bangs a little, but you know, it's still faster than styling the hair that used to be on my head, right? So I can't really complain. Okay, so this color is called Cinnamon Raisin, and Cinnamon Raisin is a auburn brunette mix. They describe it as a natural dark auburn brown with a medium auburn and a light caramel brown. So there is a darker brown running through there in places, and then there are a couple of different auburns, a lighter one and a darker one. So different places on the wig I can see, you know, different auburns. So, but she would also style-wise be, you know, cute, maybe braided, or I don't know about her front updo. I actually didn't try that. She certainly has enough for a pony, but there's no extended nape, so you have to be cautious if you do put her up that way. But you know, I do think she could be twisted and put up. You know, that would be cute. And with that little fringe in the front, you know, that's kind of nice because you always have a little bit of coverage of the edge of your cap, if that makes you, you know, if you're conscientious of that. So looks really, really cute. Okay, so I will take her outside so you can see this shade in the natural light. Okay, so here's this color, Cinnamon Raisin, outside in the natural light. So you can see those auburns, that caramel brown, the medium brown. Really, really pretty. Going all through the wig. And I'm under the patio cover now just so I don't have a glare on her. But I'll step out here into the sun and you can see the auburns pop in the sun. Really pretty. So, very pretty brunette. Okay, so as you can see, you could really see the different auburns and coppers and caramel browns out there in the natural light. So really, really pretty color with a, you know, reflects a lot of different colors and different lighting. So really cute style. So this has been Dakota by Envy in the color Cinnamon Raisin. Really cute style if you want an easy, you know, just natural wave style. Honestly, it looks a lot like natural hair to me, just because it's not too curly and not too, you know, unstructured. It's just a really, you know, cute little pretty wave pattern to it. So really easy little style to wear. So like I said, Envy by Dakota. So thanks so much for watching today, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.